Guys, I'm gonna show you a magic trick. Just hold on. Hold. Okay, so this is the magic trick. Wait lang. So I only have an ace of spades, right? Well, not anymore. I have a king of spades now. And there's another secret card. I just need to click this guy right over here. This cute little guy. Wait. Where's my hand? Oh. This cute little guy. Tap. Tap. And then it will do a secret card. Do you know what this is? Queen of Hearts. That was an epic and fun magic trick, bro. I have some cards. All cards. Bye-bye.